Hey guys, I have a really quick video for you today. We were kind of taking some things off the KRX and cleaning stuff up, and we decided to do a quick install video on this Tusk Half Windshield for the 2020 and up KRX. He's had this windshield for about 2 years, but I figured I would show you how easy it is to install it and just kind of give a walk around look at it. This version of the Tusk Half Windshield is the cheaper one. It cost about $92, and he's had it for about 2 years. It doesn't have a ton of scratches in it. It still looks really nice. It's held up pretty well, but they do offer a more scratch resistant version, and that one costs about $169, so that's quite a bit more, but it's essentially the same windshield. It just depends if you want scratch resistant or not. And then I think Super ATV offers a tinted version of a half windshield if you're looking for tinted. Since he has had the cage for about 2 years now, we can see that there's a little bit of rubbing on the cage from the windshield, and it's kind of showing a little bit of bare metal there. And then in the center on the dashboard, it's got a lot of rubbing here. Also, kind of up there, you can see that bare spot. So before we reinstall the windshield, what we're going to do is put some of this really thin rubber padding with adhesive on the back just to kind of protect it a little bit from rubbing on the cage. Before we put the adhesive rubber padding on, we're going to use some alcohol to just clean off some of the debris so it doesn't fall off. Get the center. You can see where it was rubbing the dash a little bit. And we'll get the other side. And we'll let that dry. Perfect. Now we'll put the center one on. Let's see how good you can cut. Oh, she's sharp. Nice. Perfect. Looks like it was made like that. Alright, time to throw the windshield on. It just tucks right in there. Yeah, that's a lot better with the padding on there. We'll grab the clamps. Swoop it and pull. There we go. And you pull this on the highway? It doesn't come off, right? You don't take it off?
Right. Yep, leave it on all the time.
Cool. We'll do a walk around so you can see kind of outside what it looks like. Alright, that's all there is to installing the Tusk Half Windshield on the Kawasaki KRX. The windshield works really good. It keeps a lot of the wind off of you. You can actually wear a hat and it won't blow your hat off. And it lets enough wind by that you stay cool in the summer, but it does kind of shoot a lot of that wind up and over. It works really well. He was saying he kind of wishes he got the tinted window. He thinks it'd look a little bit better, but he's really happy with the half windshield as it is. If you enjoyed this video, we would really appreciate it if you could subscribe to the channel, maybe check out some of our other videos. If you like KRX content, I have a Yamaha YXZ as well. And then we also have sport quads and snowmobiles, just a lot of off-road content in general. But thanks for watching. Have a great day.